Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, December 10th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post your attendance. Teachers, Freeze Pop Friday, for those showing growth and already, will be next Friday. We will draw teachers' names for the growth prize also. Party Day will also be next Friday, and will be School-wide Pajama Day. Grades, make sure you're syncing your grades regularly, and grades books should also be printed regularly. We've had a couple of people who have had some issues arise during syncing, so we definitely want to make sure that everything is syncing correctly, and that your grades are showing up in PowerSchool, so it will make it a lot easier at the very end of the quarter when we're getting ready to do report cards. Reading PLT has been canceled for December, and the new date will be announced. We have an update to our toy drive. Kate Shepherd students and staff donated over 500 toys for the toy drive. That is a ton of toys. Way to go, Kate Shepherd scholars. Thank you for spreading Christmas cheer. You did awesome. That pile of toys was very impressive. The word of the day for today is tally table. A tally table is a table that uses tally marks to record data. So sometimes you might have to count how many people like a certain thing or something like that. And so you can use little tally marks to count those, and you can put those in a tally table. Important dates. Oh, Spelling Bee was yesterday, and we had a great turnout for that. December 10th, we have the toy drive participants can wear Christmas shirts and jeans. That's today. They have the door decoration judging day and our St. Jude pizza party for 4th and kindergarten. Have a lot going on today. December 15th, we have PST for grades 3 through 5, and December 17th, we have the deadline for partnership conferences. Congratulations! Congratulations to all of our class Spelling Bee winners. These students participated in our school-wide Spelling Bee yesterday. We are proud of you all. A great big congratulations to our top two. Jennifer Yulin Sanchez was our first place, and Alasia Dean was our second place winner. So awesome job to all of our fantastic spellers, and especially those two ladies who made it to the top. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.